I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls, Little Miss Curls 82. Thank you so much for tuning in. I wanted to do something different. As you can see by the title, yes, this is a giveaway in celebration of 100 subscribers. You guys, I am so excited. I know I have a long way to go, but I am so excited just for those of you who have taken the opportunity to subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Comment on any of my previous content that I uploaded, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications from your girl whenever I upload new content. So, you guys, I wanted to do a giveaway as it relates to me meeting 100 subscribers. So I am super excited about the goodies that I am giving away to one lucky person. I'm going to include contest rules and everything you must do to enter this giveaway. Stay tuned. So like I said, you guys, this video is solely focusing on the fact that I just reached 100 subscribers a couple of weeks ago. I am beyond excited. I am grateful and thankful to you all who took a chance on your girl, Little Miss Curls 82. So last year, I decided to go ahead and step out on faith and start my channel after procrastinating years prior, maybe 4 or 5 years prior to wanting to do so. But I had all the excuses because I didn't think that I had the proper equipment. I didn't think I had everything that I needed to actually start my channel until I really did a lot of research on YouTubers that I've been following for years and how they started. And I'm like, it's just nothing to it but to simply do it. So as today, I am at, I think, 104 subscribers. Please don't forget to share, comment, like, and tell your friends. If you're already subscribed, spread the word to friends and family to subscribe to my channel. And I hope to continue to bring you guys helpful content on hair, beauty, and everything else. So let's get into this giveaway, the goodies that you guys actually have an opportunity to win, and the contest rules and how to get in this giveaway. Okay, you guys, so first off, for products, I was debating as to what actual products that I wanted to incorporate in this giveaway. And I recently tried a new product line and I fell in love with them. So I wanted to incorporate this product in this giveaway. And it is none other than the Earth Supplied, and it is the shampoo and conditioner, silicone free. And the actual conditioner has 5% shea butter, and the shampoo is also enriched with shea butter, no sulfates, silicones, paraben, or mineral oils. These, you guys, I absolutely fell in love with this product by Earth Supplied. They have a deep conditioner. They have oils. I wanted to incorporate the basics for your wash day, which is the shampoo and conditioner. And I hope you guys, whoever the lucky winner is, I hope that you enjoy. And if you haven't already tried it, go and check out the Earth Supplied collection. So you guys, the next product that I wanted to incorporate in the giveaway is the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oil, shea oils Control Me Edge Gel. You guys, one of my favorite edge controllers. I've been rocking with Lotta Body for quite some time. I love their products, especially this particular line, along with the milk and honey. And just FYI, if you're watching Lotta Body, your girl is up for a PR package. Put me on the list. I'm here for it. But you guys, love this product. I hope whoever the winner is enjoys this as well. And, you know, what's wash day, you know, without a tool, styling tool that you can use to actually enhance wash day and to make it more better. It's all about a healthy scalp and maintaining and treating your scalp and taking great care of it. So I decided to throw in this hair shampoo brush or scalp massager, whatever you want to refer to it as. This, you guys, is a very good styling tool to use on wash day to just get in there and just give your scalp the tender loving care that it needs to promote healthy hair, you know, healthy scalp, healthy hair. So I decided to throw this in, and this is really This is actually, it feels so good when you're actually using this on your scalp. Also, I decided to throw in some hair clips, you guys. What is styling without hair clips? Whatever type of styling that you're doing on your natural hair, it is good to have some hair clips handy. So I decided to throw in these. Decided to also add the 360, yes, spray bottle, the mist. This has become one of my favorite spray bottles, and I enjoy using it. I use it all the time. I'm actually having one made, custom made by one of my friends, and I'm super excited to share that with you when I get it. But this is the 360 hair mist spray bottle. So this is good for when you're just wanting to touch up those curls, or, you know, you're styling and you need to add some water to your style. And keep in mind, you guys, don't sleep on the water. One of the greatest and best forms of moisture for your hair. So you guys, I actually decided to also throw in a queen size satin pillowcase for my natural lights, because it is very important that we take care of our natural hair even while we sleep. You know, cotton actually has the tendency of pulling and snagging on the hair, but if you're not wanting to put on a satin bonnet or wrap your hair at night, a satin pillowcase is where it is, sis. So this is a large satin pillowcase that will be also. And last but not least is this easy detangling brush that is from Looks and Styles. I ordered this from Amazon. And it comes like this. You have your easy detangler brush in purple, along with the clamp if you want to use that as well. And then it also came with a pick. Anytime you want to fluff out those wash and goes or those braid outs and twist out and give it a little volume. Also comes with a pick and a scrunchie. And this is in satin. So this is good for putting or pineappling your hair whenever you have some cute little curls or wash and go and you want a pineapple. And you guys, that is it for all the goodies that are coming in this giveaway. So let's get right to it. It's going to be very simple in how you're going to enter, or how you're able to enter this giveaway. To win all of this stuff, there will be one lucky winner. So the only thing that is required is that you pick a number from 1 to 100. I will have whatever the lucky number is. And also, you must be subscribed to my channel, and you must provide that information showing that you are subscribed to my channel, Little Miss Curls 82 on YouTube, and just picking a number from 1 to 100. The lucky winner will be announced, and I will definitely actually put up that information. So keep up with me on all social media outlets: Instagram, Little Miss Curls, Facebook. I will be actually putting up the information on when. So I'm gonna announce the winner on next Monday, which is August the 31st. So it's gonna give everybody time to get those numbers into me and let me know what number you think is the winning number to win this giveaway. You guys, I appreciate you. I thank you guys so much for tuning in, for being here for it. And I love you guys, and I thank you so much for all your support. Please stay tuned for more content from your girl, Little Miss Curls. I'm about to start putting out more content on makeup looks. You see my face is real beat up. Little simple beat, but I am really loving it. Shouts out to ColourPop for this new eyeshadow palette that I picked up on last Friday, you guys. This is called Truly Madly Deeply. I absolutely love the eyeshadows in this palette. Shouts out to ColourPop. I am here for it. Just FYI, if you want to put me on your PR packaging, I am here for it. But I absolutely love this. You guys will be seeing me do more videos on makeup tutorials and especially using this eyeshadow palette that I am absolutely in love with. Thank you guys so much once again for rocking with your girl, Little Miss Curls. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.